Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2102 code? This code means the throttle actuator control motor circuit is receiving a lower than normal voltage signal. If you ignore this issue, your engine may not respond properly to throttle input, leading to poor acceleration and reduced performance. P2102 stands for Throttle Actuator Control Motor Circuit Low. In simple terms, the ECU has detected that the electronic throttle control motor is not getting enough voltage to operate properly. This system controls the throttle valve electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, reduced engine power limb mode, poor acceleration, delayed throttle response, and sometimes engine stalling. In some cases, you may also see a warning like reduced engine power on the dashboard. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by checking throttle position data using an obd2 scanner. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check for weak voltage supply, poor grounding, or damaged wiring in the circuit. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup, which can affect its movement. If voltage remains low or the actuator is not responding, the throttle body assembly may need replacement. Finally, repair any wiring issues, clean the throttle body if required, replace the faulty actuator if necessary, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear the code, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2102 on time will restore proper throttle response, smooth acceleration, and safe engine performance.